Hello everyone, welcome to New Wealth Japan. I'm thrilled to have you here today. This channel is dedicated to helping travelers from around the world discover and experience the very best of Japan. From ancient temples and historic castles that have stood for centuries, to the vibrant world of anime, unique Japanese souvenirs, and incredible cuisine that will tantalize your taste buds, we cover it all. Japan is a country where tradition meets innovation, where you can enjoy a traditional tea ceremony in the morning and explore cutting-edge technology districts in the afternoon. It's this beautiful contrast that makes Japan so fascinating. We're passionate about sharing hidden gems, travel tips, and cultural insights that will make your Japanese adventure unforgettable. Whether you're planning your first trip or you're a seasoned Japan traveler, we've got something special for you. I'm truly grateful that so many people from all corners of the world share this passion for Japanese culture with us. Your enthusiasm and curiosity inspire every video we create. So sit back, relax, and let's explore Japan together. Let's get started.
Hello and welcome. Today, we are mapping out the perfect day at one of Japan's most incredible landmarks, Nagoya Castle. So let's get right into it. This is your complete guide for a visit you won't forget. Okay, so let's tackle the big question right up front. You might have heard that the main tower, the famous castle keep, is currently closed for a massive reconstruction project. So the question is it still worth the trip?
And the answer is a huge, resounding yes. Seriously. Because, as you're about to see, the real treasures of Nagoya Castle are right there, wide open, and just waiting for you to explore them.
So, a little backstory. This place was originally built on the orders of the legendary shogun Tokugawa Ieyasu himself, really to cement his power. But what you'll find today is so much more than just a single building. It's this huge, sprawling historic site that's packed with amazing structures, beautiful gardens, and just jaw-dropping art.
And, its historical importance is just off the charts. It was finished way back in 1612, and it was one of the very first castles in all of Japan to be named a national treasure. That tells you just how special this place has always been.
Now, what's really cool is how much there is to see just by wandering around the grounds. I mean, before you even get near the palace, the sheer scale of the original fortress is just, wow, it's awe-inspiring. First thing you'll notice are those massive stone walls. Get this, 20 different feudal lords were commanded to build them, and they stretch for over 8 kilometers. Try to find Kiyomasa's stone. It's the largest single rock in the entire wall. And then keep an eye out for the 3 original corner watchtowers, the Sumiyagra. They actually survived the war, and you can even go inside the southwest one to see how they defended the castle. And of course, you absolutely cannot miss Nagoya's most famous symbols, the golden Kinshachi. These mythical fish-like creatures were thought to protect the castle from fire. They sit right on top of the main keep. The one on the north is the male, and the one on the south is the female. And yes, that's real 18-karat gold they're covered in. We're talking over 88 kilograms of it between the two of them. All right, let's get to the highlight of any visit today. With the main tower closed, the absolute star of the show, without a doubt, is the magnificent Hommaru Palace. And listen, this isn't just some museum. It is an incredibly faithful reconstruction of the original palace, which was both the home and the main office for the region's most powerful lords. It was rebuilt using traditional methods and materials, so you get this truly authentic peek into the life of a samurai ruler. It's the real deal. Now, to keep this masterpiece looking, well, masterful, there are just a few super simple rules. You'll take your shoes off right at the entrance. And to protect all the amazing artwork, just be careful not to touch any of the walls or painted screens. And of course, make sure the flash on your camera is turned off. It's all about helping to preserve this treasure for everyone. Once you're inside, just prepare to be amazed. You're surrounded by art that tells a story. Make sure you find the incredible bamboo and tiger screen painting. It was designed to kind of intimidate visitors with the shogun's power. And then look up. The ceilings are incredible. The designs actually change from room to room, which was a really clever way to show the social rank of any guest allowed inside. Okay, after soaking in all that history and art, you've probably worked up an appetite, right? Well, lucky for you, you don't have to go far at all to find some of Nagoya's best food. Say hello to Kinshachi Yokocho. It's this awesome little gourmet town located right outside the castle gates. It is the perfect spot to take a breather, grab a fantastic meal, and maybe find a few unique souvenirs.
So, Kinshachi Yokocho is split into two different zones. Over at the main gate, you have the Yoshinayo zone, which is all about classic, traditional Nagoya food, what the locals call Nagoya meshi. But if you're by the east gate, check out the Munahar zone. It's got a more modern feel, with cool cafes and trendy restaurants. Honestly, you can't go wrong either way.
And here is a fantastic pro tip for you. When you leave the castle gates to go eat, just ask the staff for a re-entry stamp. It's invisible, but it lets you come right back into the castle grounds on the same ticket. That way, you can split up your visit and have a nice, relaxing lunch in the middle. Okay, let's pull all this together. I've got a few final expert tips to help make your day at Nagoya Castle absolutely perfect.
So, if you want a deeper dive, there are free English guided tours every single day at 12:30. No reservation needed. If you're there on a weekend, you might even see a live performance by samurai and ninja actors. In the spring, you have to see the cherry blossoms. There are 900 trees. Plan on at least an hour and a half to see everything. The Meguru sightseeing bus from Nagoya Station is a super easy way to get there. And for just 100 yen, you can grab a great audio guide for the Hommaru Palace. You know, a visit to Nagoya Castle today really brings this idea to life. It's not about looking at old things behind glass. It's about walking through the halls of a palace, standing by those massive stone walls, and really feeling the history all around you. So you see, even without the main tower, Nagoya Castle offers a completely unforgettable experience. Are you going to focus on the military history, get lost in the palace's art, or maybe dive headfirst into the local food scene? The adventure is totally yours to create. What kind of day will you make it?
And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed exploring this part of Japan with us. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us reach more travelers like you who love Japan. And here's the most important part. If you haven't already, please subscribe to New Wealth Japan and hit that notification bell. By turning on notifications, you'll be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. We post new content regularly, featuring different destinations, food experiences, and cultural insights across Japan, so you won't want to miss out. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Do you have any questions about what we covered today? Is there a specific place in Japan you'd like us to feature in an upcoming video? Maybe a particular Japanese dish you're curious about, or a cultural tradition you want to learn more about? Please share your thoughts, questions, and suggestions in the comments below. We read every single comment, and your feedback helps shape our future content. Also, if you've been to Japan before, we'd love to hear about your experiences. Share your favorite memories or travel tips with our community. Let's learn from each other. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of our New Wealth Japan family. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, safe travels, and see you in the next video. Sayonara.